In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the Recaptcha key that you got from Google and put it into Gravity Forms. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your WordPress website, and you're going to come over to Forms and then Settings, and this is the page you should be on. So you should already have generated a Google Recaptcha key, and if you did, then you'll have those and you can copy them. And you're going to put them site key. Notice I just copied the site key. And I'm going to copy the secret key. And I'm going to put them in here. And then when I check out here, notice that's going to show me the Recaptcha. I'm going to choose checkbox. Now, as long as the domain name in the Recaptcha matches the domain name of the site you're on, this will show an actual box that you have to check. So in this case, I'm just showing you as an example, but you get the idea. You have to click on this checkbox. So it should match and it should not say error. If it says error, there's something wrong. If it shows you the checkbox, check the box. So you have to actually check the box and then save your settings. So make sure you do that and save your settings. The next step would be to go to your forms. And for any forms you have, you want to edit them. And if you used really simple CAPTCHA in the past, then you're going to delete that. So you'll click the X button on that. And then you're going to come over here to Advanced Fields and you're going to add the CAPTCHA again. And it will pop in the Google Recaptcha. Right now I can't because I'm not using a domain name that matches my Recaptcha. But if you do it the right way and you click on CAPTCHA here, then it will show the actual Google Recaptcha, and then you want to update the form. Now, if you have any other forms on your site, for example, we use Easy Testimonials Pro, you might want to also go in and check those submission form settings. So for Easy Testimonials, you go over to the submission form settings here and go to Spam Prevention. You'll check Enable CAPTCHA on Submission Form, and you're going to put both your site key and your secret key here. So you'll go back to the Google Recaptcha, and you'll put the site key and the secret key here and save the changes. Depending on what other plugins you use, then you might have to update those as well. But for Easy Testimonials, you literally just have to click Enable CAPTCHA on Submission Form, put the keys in here and save it, and it will add it to the form. But other plugins have their own settings, and you have to follow the settings that they have. And that's it. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.
Yeah, pero yeah. Paul! Oh! Yeah! Ooh! Yeah! Ah!